Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from or to Android on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So of course, when you turn on the iPhone for the first time during the initial configuration, you have the option to transfer data from your old device, and you need to simply follow the instructions in order to do so. However, if you went through the initial configuration, if you skipped that process, and you decided that you actually want to get something from your Android device, then, or if you want to send something to your Android device, then you still have the option to do so. However, you will need to use a third-party app. In my case, I'm gonna use Send Anywhere. This is of course one of the apps that allows you to transfer files between devices, whether it is iOS or Android. It doesn't really matter. It works both ways. Of course, there are other apps that work in a similar way. However, I'm just gonna use this one in this example. So once you download the app from the App Store, of course you can open it, and then you can start selecting whatever you want to send. So you can of course select your photos, you can go to videos and select the videos that you want to transfer. Then you can go to contacts in order to transfer contacts and also other files over here. You can select pretty much everything that you want. The exception is apps. You cannot transfer apps because at least from Android to iPhone, you cannot really transfer them, and it seems that it is not possible the other way around. The reason for this is pretty simple. They are just different versions of these apps, so you cannot really transfer them. However, everything else seems to be working just fine. So once you select everything, you want to press send, and then you will see the code. Of course, you can do the same thing on your Android device. So this is right now transferring from iPhone to Android. On your Android device, of course, you will have to download the same app, and you will need to enter the code. So simply press receive over here at the bottom in order to switch to receive. Over here you can enter the code, or you can tap on the QR code in order to open the camera, and then you can scan this QR code. Now if you want to do this the other way around, if you want to transfer from Android to iPhone, then of course you want to press receive over here at the bottom, and you have the same thing, but on the Android you want to choose send and then choose whatever you want to transfer. And once you enter the code or scan the QR code, then you should be able to receive everything. You should be able to send everything that it is there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!